Okay, first trig derivative, and this is just about the easiest derivative ever. You start with y equals 3 sine x. The 3 stays put, basically. Sometimes we say that differentiation goes right through constants, meaning it ignores the constant and hits the thing that comes after the constant. The derivative of sine x is cosine x, and that's it. Or you could have written this as dy equals 3 cosine x dx, and then divide both sides by dx. That's fine too. If you're uncomfortable with the derivative going right through the 3 the way I described it, here's the alternative way to do it. You can say y is 3 sine x. This is going to be a lot more work for the same result, but just to prove that we're being rigorous here. This is a product, which means the product rule holds. So we have our first part, and then we have our second part. And if you do this via the product rule, then you would do first, which would be 3 times the derivative of the second part, which is cosine x. So that's first d second, plus, now you do the second part, which is sine x, times the derivative of the first part. The first part is a constant, so its derivative is 0. All of this vanishes because it's multiplied by a 0. And there's another way you can get 3 cosine x. So you can always do this if you need to reassure yourself, but normally we just say if you have 3 times a function, the derivative is going to be 3 times derivative of the function. In other words, the derivative goes through the 3 and takes effect when it hits the thing afterwards. We'll see that again in the next examples. There's plenty more trig derivatives to come.